Let's look at Meta as well for a second, Austin. They were the other company with impossibly good results. These companies, as you just mentioned, they are so big. If you are Amazon, there's a problem. Everyone on the planet is using your services. So how'd you get out? How'd you keep growing? Well, you use AI. The company, they grew ad impressions by 11% last quarter. The average price per ad up 9%. And what did that equal to? Equal to earnings that beat by 22%. Austin, when you're the size of Meta, beating earnings by 22% is borderline impossible. But again, it is because of this transformative company bet on AI. Essentially, Meta had a problem that Google knows your exact intent. They know what you're searching. They're able to serve ads on that. Meta does not know users' intent. Close the gap through AI. Advertising is one of the first industries that's a truly killer application for AI. We see it in Meta and how they've been able to get this acceleration no one expected years ago. We see this in App Lovin', which we've talked about, up 40x since the beginning of 2023 because they kind of staked their future into this. And we've made our bend the portfolio with Unity as a company that was behind is now going all into AI and we believe has substantial upside. And the stock has been doing quite well. So, Austin, that's the picture with this quarter. The bigger picture, as we previewed earlier, just last week we talked about, you gave the numbers, they're astounding. Their new data center is going to require slightly less power than New York City, right? And coming into this earnings, Zuckerberg, he said that they're going to have similar growth that they did this year in capital expenditures to next year. They're going to spend around $70 billion this year. That implies more than $100 billion next year. And why this is such an all-in, if Microsoft's spending $120 billion, if Amazon's spending $120 billion, if Google's spending $85 and probably even more next year, they run it out. Meta's using all of it, right? Meta is using all of it internally. So before Meta's earnings, Austin, I'm going to read the quote here. Zuckerberg issued a memo and he said, over the last few months, we have begun to see glimpses of our AI systems improving themselves. The improvement is slow for now, but undeniable. Developing superintelligence is now in sight. It seems clear that in the coming years, AI will improve all our existing systems and enable the creation and discovery of new things that aren't imaginable today. Austin, this is the ultimate bull case for AI, and it's happening today. Recursive self-improvement, AI systems that are able to improve themselves. We've been talking about it on this show. I don't think a lot of people are talking about. We've been talking about it on this show since last December, saying this is what ignites the ultimate bull rally, and we now see a company going all in. So Austin, this earnings season, we see two things. We see real AI demand happening, which is via Microsoft and growth of the Azure platform. We see AI fundamentally changing one of the biggest businesses in the world, which everyone says, what's the real world thing? Where is AI happening? Well, look at Meta's results. And now we see this moving forward thing of this is where AI either becomes a bubble or the most transformative event in human history, which is this race for superintelligence. And it's game on. It's game on. So I don't know what you can say except, again, this is a step change. This is a historic day. You look back at July 30th as maybe the beginning of a new era, and the risks are rising. Again, that this could be significant overspend. But all these companies right now, they're all in, usage is accelerating, and we're seeing real world changes.